So my name is Melanie Chan, and I am currently a sales associate with Align Technology, and I started this past September in 2021. So I found out about the sales associate program from a friend of mine who's actually a regional manager here when I was looking to transition from finance. I was actually looking to find a new career path. Honestly, I loved working with people as I was previously a teacher. And, I loved really educating my clients when I was working in finance, but it just wasn't quite the right fit. So as I was looking more, my friend who's a regional manager here was telling me a lot about just how great the company was, the culture here at the company, and how they have this amazing training program, especially for a career changer. So when I was transitioning for a new job, I really wanted to look for a company that had a really good fit for culture. And one thing that I've heard really strongly about Align is just how amazing the culture is here. I wanted to work for a company where I believed in what we were doing and the mission behind it. And so Align definitely has a strong mission that I believe in. When it comes to the sales associate program in particular, what I really loved about it was the training. Something that has always helped propel me in my other career paths was having mentorship and strong coaching. And I knew that was something that I'd be able to get here in the sales associate program. So, in the sales associate program, it's been great. What I really love is just the amount of coaching and support that we get. Since stepping in, we've really been included in everything from, and just so welcomed from anyone in the cafeteria to, all the way to our, suite level executives. And that's not typically something that you will see in a lot of places. Another thing that I love about the sales associate program is just the amount of in-depth knowledge that we will gain and have gained in this program. Especially if you're somebody who doesn't come from a dental background, you are able to learn so much that you're going to be able to need both in the field to connect with doctors, but really to understand the product better that you won't be able to get if you're just an external hire. I would say, in terms of the culture of the SA program, I would say it's definitely very much a strong team and family dynamic. I think there's a very big balance between fun and work and just support. It's really nice having your colleagues and your teammates really cheer for you and support you with any questions that you might have in any areas that you want to develop. And even just cross-functionally, a lot of the departments are so willing to work and help you. Looking towards the future, I'm most excited about really just getting to put into action the things that we've learned. Originally we were in the program and just learning things in a classroom dynamic. And since we've just transitioned from each phase of the training program, it's been really nice to see how we can implement each piece of it and how it's all coming together. So I'm really excited to move into the field and get to put these pieces in place and help doctors make growth. I would definitely recommend the sales associate program to anyone who's looking for a position straight out of school or for somebody who's looking for a career change. I think it can be very adaptable if you're very early in your career, or even if you're somebody who's a little more seasoned and is afraid to try something new. I think that the training that we get caters to everybody. You get really in-depth knowledge, and no matter where you're kind of starting from, having that one-on-one support with our supervisors and even support from alumni from the sales associate program, they're so open to helping you, and you won't be able to get that in any other way.